And we have ignition. And we have liftoff of an ILS Proton from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan with the Türksat 4B satellite on board. Now, about 10 seconds after liftoff, the vehicle does do a roll maneuver to align the launch vehicle pitch axis with the northeasterly launch azimuth. Unfortunately, with the cloud deck there, the vehicle is now out of sight of the cameras, but the vehicle will soon experience maximum dynamic pressure, or max Q. Now, this is when the aerodynamic stresses on the vehicle in atmospheric flight are at their peak. And for Proton, max Q occurs about 1 minute and 2 seconds after liftoff and at a velocity of Mach 1.6. And it's sometimes accompanied by visible condensation if atmospheric and lighting conditions are favorable, which unfortunately today they're not. From the information I'm receiving, everything seems to be proceeding nominally as the vehicle ascends over the Cosmodrome in a northeasterly direction with a flight launch azimuth of approximately 61.3 degrees. We're about 90 seconds after liftoff. And we're coming up on the first stage separation from the second stage. Now that's set to occur at 2 minutes into the flight. And on clear nights, unlike tonight, observers in the Baikonur Cosmodrome may be able to see a bit of a halo effect of light as the second stage engines ignite prior to the separation from the first stage. Coming up in 1 minute and 50 seconds after launch. First stage shutdown should occur in about 15 seconds. Okay. And I'm waiting for confirmation of the ignition of the second stage and a good separation from the first stage. Unfortunately, we can't see it today, so we're waiting for the data to be relayed back to the comm center. Okay, and I do have confirmation of a good ignition of the second stage and a good separation from the first stage.